Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 25 how to repost a video on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, and then we can go all the way to the application Instagram. Click on this, go to your profile, go to the search box itself and type in computer science. Click on the hashtag. If we see a video we like, we will repost. Click on a video, go to the right hand top corner where we see the three dots, copy the link, and then go to your iPhone homepage, go to the repost app, go to the video, repost. Exporting the video may take some time depending on the length of the video. Press feed, press next. And the video itself with the caption and the attribution mark have been posted to my profile. Go back to the iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.